Cover again is important in all the pens. It gives these hens a place to get away from him and rest, so they can be healthy, so they can lay fertile eggs and reproduce. And perches are important up high so they can sleep at night out of reach of predators where they like to naturally be. Logs down the center gives the cockbird a good runway as he comes back and forth chasing his hens all day long. He doesn't have a problem tending to these 4 ladies at all. Well, I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Like and subscribe. Thanks. John from Woodside Loft.